Hey everyone, how are you doing today? I welcome you all to my channel. And today's topic is mainly about the test levels. So what do you understand by test levels? To actually get into that, we first of all need to understand what the software development process is. So software development process are basically the activities carried out to build a software from the initial stage to the final completed product. So what are the different players involved in this process? So you have the business, we obviously have the business representatives, we have the developers, we have the testers, and then every other roles involved in the project are all involved in a software development lifecycle. But specifically, we were more focused on the testing as performed at each level, from the build to the testing to the release into the production lifecycle. So these activities, these test activities are known as the test levels that is carried out at each phase of the development of that software. Okay, so first of all, we have the unit testing. So unit testing is performed by the developers. So the developer will check their code that they've just completed, and they'll check that it works, it functions as it should, it meets the requirements, and at this stage they'll carry out a module test, which is where they test their specific codes in isolation, and they'll also carry out an integration testing, which is where they integrate their code with a new or existing code and to check that it functions and interacts without any issues. So at each stage, obviously, they're checking that their program works, and they're also finding any issues during the process as well. Then the next test level is the system testing, which is carried out by testers. So testers at this stage would have received the code from the developers. So they carry out the testing at this point. And the whole point really is to find faults, find defects at this stage, and to also check that the program meets the requirements. So they'll be checking that the requirement has been met, and it also works as it should. And then lastly, we have the user acceptance testing level. So this is carried out by the business analyst or the business representatives. And the whole point of this level is to check that the final product meets their requirements. So if a function is meant to do a specific task, they will be checking that that task has been fulfilled, and they also check that the software is ready to be deployed into the live environment and it meets the business objectives, which was why it was built in the first place. So these are the different test levels and the main test levels within a software development process. Hi guys, we'll be wrapping up this short video with a quiz just to go through what we've learned in the last slide. So there are 3 short questions with multiple choice of answers for you guys to try, and once you're done, please feel free to share your answer in the comment section of this video. I hope you find this helpful, and I would also appreciate if you can like and share this video and also subscribe to the channel. Just briefly, I'm just gonna read through the questions, and then I'll give you guys the opportunity to try and answer them and share your answers within the comment video. So firstly, for the first part of the quiz, the first question is basically which one of these roles performs user acceptance testing. So we have the multiple choice options: business analyst, a tester, developer, or business sponsor. So which of these perform user acceptance testing? Then question number 2, the developers are planning to test their code before deploying it to the test environment. Which of the test levels is required for this? So the options are system test, user acceptance test, module test, or unit test. And question number 3, which of these activities is not performed at a system test level? Requirement soliciting, defect identification, static testing, regression testing. Do you think you know the answers to the quiz? Would you like to give it a try? You know, God loves a good trial, right? So please have a go, share your answer in the comment section, and then, as I said earlier, like and subscribe to the video, and please also share as well. Thanks so much. See you at the next video. Bye for now.